In order to get your designs onto a dark garment, we'll show you what you need and how to do it with Epson pretreatment solution. You'll need a heat press, automated pretreater, 2 parts distilled water to mix with 1 part cotton pretreatment fluid. First, thread your garment onto the heat press. Apply a sheet of parchment paper and press for about 20 seconds. Next, load your shirt into your automated pretreater and load in your mixed cotton pretreatment fluid. Press the button to spray the shirt. Next, carefully thread your shirt back onto the heat press and allow it to hover under the heat for a few minutes. When done, apply a sheet of parchment paper and press for 75 seconds, and your shirt is now ready to print. And that's how easy it is to pre-treat a garment using Epson pretreatment solution.